Jazz, you're nearly there.
Yeah, kind of, but we're not looking into that too much. I think it's important just to go into the next 3 games like we've gone into the rest of the games, and you know, the lads worked hard tonight, and I think it's important that we go and do that again.
And it was built on a solid defensive performance this evening.
Yeah, I think that's what we're built on. As long as we're keeping clean sheets, we've got the players that can go and make things happen up top, and you know, that's shown tonight. We weren't the best on the ball, but kept the clean sheet and we've come out with a win.
You always sensed one goal was going to be enough, and when you've got Gareth Bale in your team, he's come up trumps again.
Well, that's the thing, you know, Gareth Bale, obviously everyone knows how much of a good player it is, and he's come and scored an important goal again. You know, going into the next game now, hopefully the same can happen.
Another clean sheet, and I'd imagine for the players, what's going to be great, hopefully seal qualification in front of the home fans in Cardiff.
Yeah, like I said, it's an important game, so you know, all the boys are humbled and going into the game with the same mentality, and I think it's just important that we go out and give a performance.
And you played a big part in the goal as well with that cross?
Yeah, you know, it was good. I think I needed that, but it was good to be involved in the goal.
And a boost for you as well, keeping your place after that Belgian performance?
Yeah, obviously, you know, like I just said, you come into the national team, and you know, it's good just to be called up when you're involved, and it's even bigger, so I'm happy with that.
Finally, Jazz, it should be a special night in Cardiff on Sunday then.
Yes, we hope so. Let's hope so.
Cheers,
Cheers, lads. Thank you.